What's up, guys? Welcome to another Mont Legit video. Today I'm going to be taking over and I'm going to be changing my boyfriend's oil. Now, I have never changed the oil on his car. I have helped change the oil on my car. Sometimes we run into difficulties, but I just know that this is going to go smooth today. So you're going to need some different materials here. We're going to use OW20 oil. This is the Valvoline high mileage synthetic blend. We're going to use that. Some gloves, that's optional, but I do recommend it because, you know, I got little fragile hands. I don't want them to get all dirty and stuff. Your oil filter. Now, you can look this up. If you're not sure which one to get, you can look it up on like AutoZone or Auto Parts Store. They'll tell you which one to get. Make sure you get the right one. We got our 17 mil socket right here and our 3/4 inch ratchet. We also got this extension because we have a special oil filter cap that help us remove the oil filter, make it a little bit easier. You don't have to have this, but sometimes your filter can get stuck and it's kind of hard to get out. That's why you might want a special tool for that. So this is all the materials we're gonna need. We do have an oil pan to catch our old oil so we don't make a mess, and I also like something soft to lay on, so I'm not sure if you can see it in the frame, but under here we got a little rug that we use to change the oil because I'm bougie like that. So let's get into it, let's get started, and let's go. All right, guys, first thing that we're gonna do is remove the oil cap. That way we can release the pressure and the oil will flow out smoothly from the bottom. All right, guys, you're gonna look for this plug for your oil and we're gonna release it. You wanna make sure that you got an oil pan, and this is a big pan, so we good where it's at, but your oil gonna come out a little bit. So I mean, use your best judgment to try and place your pan where you think the oil's gonna come out, but you know, it is gonna have some pressure to it and go kind of far. So just be mindful of that. I wouldn't be doing this anywhere you don't want it to get messed up on your driveway or whatever. We're gonna loosen it. And it is likely gonna get a little bit on your fingers and stuff too. And there we go. I'm also gonna clean off all this old oil off this bolt. It's really not that bad, but you just gonna get it nice and clean. And just wipe it off. Nothing too crazy. Just wipe it off. You'll be all right. All right, we're gonna put this bolt back in. It's okay. There's still gonna be a little bit of oil draining, but that's fine as long as most of it is out. Hand tighten it, and then we gonna tighten it up a little bit more. All right, we got our little oil filter cap thing on, so we're gonna loosen it. Now, we moved the oil pan for this because it's in the way, but before you take this whole thing off, you want to pull your pan back to it because it is gonna have some oil in there. There we go, it's loosening. Then we're gonna come back and tighten this this little bolt right here too, but it's easier when you got this out the way. Pull the thing. There we go. Let's take this off, and that's why you got stuff underneath, so you don't care if it get dirty. That's why we wear our gloves too. It don't matter where I set this.
No, it doesn't matter.
Just gonna set it right there. All right, before we put the new oil filter back on, we just gonna come through and tighten this bolt back up.
It's tight?
Yeah, it's tight. Yeah, it's tight.
All right.
It ain't moving nowhere. All right, so now we about to put the new oil filter on, but you're gonna wanna put some old oil around the rim right here. You know, to be honest, I'm not sure why they do that. I know it's obviously to like lubricate it. I don't understand why it got to be old oil. Maybe somebody in the comments could tell me. I'm just gonna dip my finger in this pan. Some oil on there. Yeah, there we go. And I'm gonna put it Just round the rim. All right, now we're gonna put the oil filter back on. You're just gonna line it up and you're just gonna screw it in. It's much easier than the Toyota one because mine was very complex. So now that's tight. Oh yeah, that's tight right there.
That's tight, boss.
That's tight. All right, guys, so we got our Valvoline OW20 high mileage oil. We buy the 5-quart size because it is cheaper, but we're only gonna use 4 quarts. So if you look right here, it's got numbers, quarts and liters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're gonna leave a quart in there that you don't try and put all this in there because it's not gonna fit. You may want a funnel. This is optional. We have one, so I'm gonna use it. But if not, I mean, if you got a steady hand, just trust yourself and do it. We just gonna open it up. All right, so we can see our oil is about right here in our container. We're gonna stop when it gets about right here. And just keep checking periodically. Yeah, we about right where we need to be. You can see it inside the container better than you can see it through here. But if I shake it, I can see it moving. So we're gonna stop right there. There we go. Right, we're gonna reset our oil life on our Honda. So we're gonna hit menu, go up to vehicle information, maintenance info. Now I know this says 90%. That's because Mont Legit had a little accident. He accidentally reset his oil life when he didn't mean to. So it's not actually at 90, it's probably about 50, 60%. That's when he like to change it. Okay, we're gonna click it. We're gonna ask, do we want to reset the maintenance information? And we're gonna hit yes. Now it says it's been reset and it's at 100%.
Looks like this is very... I got a wedgie, hold on. It looks like this is very end of the video. My girlfriend showed you guys how to change oil on a car. How did it go, babe?
It went well. It was very easy. I know it may be intimidating to some people to try and change oil or work on their own car, but if you got somebody or a YouTube video kind of walk you through it, they're all gonna have the same factors. Now they may not all be exact, but it was pretty simple, and I think anybody at home watching this could do it.
Very true. So there's a lot of oil videos out there, but I feel like today my lovely girlfriend showed you guys how to do this. Very simple, easy steps. Now you have a Honda Civic at home, you should watch this video most definitely. But that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Have anything else to say, babe?
Thanks for letting me take over the channel. That's
all right.
it.
First time.
What is that?